Hey guys, want to give you a quick XRP update for today. There's been rumors going around that I've been trying to find on X about a major company that is currently being traded on the Nasdaq exchange with an XRP and this collaboration, if you will. So let's get to the bottom of it. If you guys are new to the channel, hit that like button right now and please be sure to subscribe. We talk XRP each and every single day. Back from before the SEC was even in litigation with Ripple, we have been wheeling and dealing with XRP. So if you guys want to know more and stay up to date with the news every single day, appreciate it if you do hit that like and subscribe. Okay. But this is what we're looking at. We will talk about the overall as we look at the top 100, and you have seen a little bit of a rebound. Still nothing where we're getting excited about. We're still kind of down on the week, if you wanted to call it that. The kind of impressive thing for the day, and I should say the last 7 days, BNB is up 30% over the last 7 days. They have surpassed XRP. But as we look at Bitcoin now trading at 123, Ethereum's back over 4,500. We're going to be talking about XRP now because we are inching our way back to $3 once again. Okay, we've talked about it pretty much ad nauseum about the support that we have between that 275 to 290 and almost $3, that trading zone. Where if we do dip below that, it is something where, in my opinion, we do have very strong support, and we don't live there too long. Okay, you've seen this numerous times being rejected as we've tried and attempted to break down, and it just never happened. Okay, so now as we do look at XRP, trying to reclaim $3 once again, and forgive me, I was doing some leverage trading, so I was on a little bit of a shorter time window. Okay, but this is kind of where we zoom out to the daily, and you can see what I'm looking at here. As we do have these moving averages cross over one another, we are in a falling wedge. We've had this consolidation pretty much dating back to the midpoint of July. All right, so for what I'm doing, pretty much what I've talked about, that horizontal blue line right there at 270. Anytime we do get any sort of window between 275, 290. This is pretty much my go zone if I am looking to add more to my XRP. But right now, we're just kind of hanging out, waiting for that next big move as pretty much a table set. We just need to get a tailwind from the overall macro and think we're good to go. Okay. I'll never tell you to buy or sell crypto. That's just what I'm doing personally in the space. So I wanted to share with you guys those statements. Okay. But also, let's turn the attention to what we came here to talk about. This is the rumor within a major Nasdaq company in XRP. As we look at Reliance Global Group, that they have announced that they have added XRP to its treasury, expanding its digital asset portfolio. Okay, so in the filing with the SEC, the purchase of XRP, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano kind of sounds like my portfolio a little bit. But if we look at this, this is approximately $17 million. Okay, um, that's probably where we differ in that regard, but nonetheless, describing the addition of XRP as a strategic step towards digital assets with strong fundamentals and real world use cases. Okay. What does Reliance and their investments within XRP and other cryptos, what does this tell us? Okay. So for my money, we're looking at a huge turning point where we've noticed a lot of treasuries, we've noticed a lot of companies, huge integrations, treasuries. The list goes on, but this is kind of going not talked about enough. Okay. And as we look into how this is going to play a role within ledger based integrations for the future, tokenization, this is going to be huge. XRP does a little bit more than just being basically that cross border settlement route for a lot of initiatives. But within this statement, the strategy driven by the goal of creating innovation, stability, shareholder value over the long term. XRP's advantages such as low cost, speed, energy efficiency are cited as key factors within this strategy for what we're looking at within the Reliance Global Group adding XRP to its treasury. Now, kind of getting off topic and getting into my thoughts, we've heard this time and time again, right? Pretty much that's just a PR release. You're going to see that basically the three aspects of the trilemma, right? Speed, cost, and efficiency. But more so, this is just a testament, right, of XRP, $17 million. Okay, this is a huge ad, and this is not so much bullish about Reliance Global Group, but it's the next company, the next company, the next company. That's why we're going to continue to talk about it because I do think that will play a role for the future. And if you're not looking at how us as retail traders are positioning ourselves. Guys, this is just basically tipping the hand of where the big money, the institutions are all kind of headed in that direction. Okay. So we'll continue to track the dominoes as they fall. This is my update for today. I appreciate you all tuning in. If you have not hit that like button or subscribe, we do talk XRP each and every single day. So I do appreciate all of my XRP Army members that are a part of the channel. It does mean a lot. Thank you again for watching. We'll see you all tomorrow in the next video. Cheers.